You ever seen roux in a bag? In the bustling world of Creole cuisine, Rouse's Supermarket has introduced a game-changer, Roux to Go. This pre-made frozen roux is designed to bring the essence of Southern cooking to even the busiest kitchens. Roux, a cornerstone of dishes like gumbo and étouffée, traditionally requires time and patience to perfect. Roux to Go simplifies this process, crafted from the classic Creole trinity of onions, bell peppers, and celery. This blend captures the authentic taste that defines Southern dishes, allowing cooks to focus on other meal aspects without sacrificing flavor. Though specific reviews are scarce, Rouse's products generally receive high praise for quality and convenience, suggesting Roux to Geaux is no exception. It aligns perfectly with modern lifestyles, offering a quick solution without compromising on taste. Rouses even provides recipes, like their seafood gumbo, showcasing how this product can transform a meal. Roux to Go is not just a time saver, it's a bridge to the rich, savory world of Creole cuisine, making it accessible to all, from novices to seasoned chefs. Have you tried this? If so, tell us about it.